Hi, I'm Rachel. Really looking forward to presenting the next Women in Travel seminar on the 29th of November between 1 and 1:45. So we're going to talk about BCorp and what it's like as a business owner and an employee to go through that process. So what it means, what the benefits are, what the process is like. I'll show you the behind the scenes. I'll teach you how to save time and money with lots of tips and tricks. We're going to look at after BCorp process, how you can use radical collaboration, innovation, creativity, even Lego to help you plan what you want to do next and solve real world problems. And there are plenty to solve in tourism because we have the joy that we have a real cake or lentils approach to tourism right now instead of a healthy cake approach to tourism, which would be so much more helpful. Really looking forward to seeing you. Please, if you've got any questions, bring them. My name's Rachel. See you on the 29th.